I thought I'll do a quick video of a small experiment I did. Spent some time with my son, trying to teach him, trying to solve problems that we face at home using technology. And I thought this might be a good way into his mind. I'm not sure if it worked, definitely kept me entertained. Um, so, the problem we were looking for was we get lazy and we don't check our mail that often. And we missed out on a few important documents because we forget to get our mail for a couple of weeks sometimes because it's not near our house. We live in a compound and it's probably 20 meters, 30 meters away from our house. We're just lazy. And we thought maybe there's a way we could get a notification on our phone. So something like this, where it says you got mail. It sends you a notification and it reminds us that, okay, there's mail, we need to go check. Sometimes we go check and there's no mail. That's what kind of got us becoming a bit more lazy and taking us a couple of weeks at a time to check our mail. So, started off with a few simple devices. So, we thought that maybe with distance measure into objects, we keep an object like this or a sensor like this right at the end of the mailbox. And when mail gets shoved in there, the distance to the end of the mailbox reduces. And this can detect, and we have measured that the mailbox depth is about 20 centimeters, and anything below 20 or maybe 18 centimeters might be a good measure for us to know that there's something in there. And I've got a lithium ion battery pack that will power this, small enough, which I can connect up. Let me try that now. Doing this while holding a phone is not fun. I don't know how all the YouTubers do this. It's probably much better experience than I am. So that's connected up. So this is got a RF 433 megahertz transmitter, and this is our transmitting device into this, which is powered and works as a hub. And I'll power this one up, and this has a Wi-Fi connection. So this is on a no, I can't remember. Oh, yep, a Arduino D1 Wi-Fi ESP board that's got the receiver on its side. And I've written a bunch of simple code that receives notification from here all the way here wirelessly. And we should get a update here that this is online, but clearly it hasn't come online yet. That's because it's not powered up yet. All right, let me see if I can power this up better. Yep, now I can see it's powered up. There we go. This thing already connected online, and I've got mail. No. All right, so I'm gonna bring my phone closer to this. And as I said, I think from memory, I coded this to be 18 centimeters or closer. So if I put my hand in front of it, it should, there we go. It says I've got mail, and if I put my hand again, it should send me that. Let me try showing what that notification looks like. There we go. Got mail, yes. And it'll keep triggering it. And what we haven't done is trying to save battery life, because this is going to trigger every single time it detects an object in front of it. And I think it's triggering every couple of seconds, which is not worth. For something like this, you want it to maybe check once or twice a day, so that I don't have to go keep recharging this every week, because that's gonna stop us from actually using this in the long term. So I'm at the stage of putting the Arduinos into deep sleep mode after it's detected. Done its check one day. But we're using Blink here. It's a fantastic app for you to do simple prototypes. It genuinely helps your kids and younger boys and girls think about how you can solve real world problems. Obviously, this is a very simple scenario that we try to resolve, but you want to start somewhere simple and keep working towards bigger and better things. So, hopefully, this is helpful. If you have any questions, just post a comment. Cheers.